Hey folks, how's it going? It's Rob Avis here. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're in Calgary or even in Alberta, we're bringing Chris Magwood in for a one-day workshop on how to design your own eco-home. And the workshop is loosely based around this book, Essential Sustainable Home Design. This book is absolutely jam-packed with nuggets. One of the things that I love most about Chris's approach to designing your own sustainable home or eco-home is that he has a whole section in here just on questions. Now, if you've ever thought about building your own home, maybe you've built your own home, maybe you've seen other people build or design their own home, you can be sure that when you get into this process that one of the hardest parts is decision fatigue. I've helped many clients build and design their own homes as well as other projects around their homes and homesteads, and one of the things that I try and alleviate as much as I possibly can is helping people to think about these questions before they go and design their own home, acreage, or farm. The home itself though is a pretty complex system, and so getting these questions right is really important. And so I'm going to give you an example of a few of these types of questions that you need to answer that are typically thought about as a result of actually doing a proper goal setting framework for your house and for your property. So for example, how important is embodied energy in the building materials you choose, and indoor air quality, as well as life cycle analysis. And is it important that your building materials don't have any toxins in it, and what kind of toxins might you want to be concerned about? What about energy efficiency, and how are you going to heat it? What kind of equipment are you going to use? What kind of fuel is that equipment going to consume, and how important is that? Are you going to do energy modeling? Are you going to manage waste with regards to the building process? Is that important? Do you want to minimize the amount of waste? Most people don't think about waste outside of it just going to landfill, but anytime you produce waste, you're actually wasting your own money. So building a building that has been premeditated to reduce waste is actually going to reduce the cost. Who's going to build it for you? Who's going to manage it? Are you going to hire a general contractor? How is the contracting process going to go? And on and on and on and on. And so all of these questions help to really define out what that building is going to look like. And then once you've answered those questions, then what's really great about Chris's approach is that he then gives you information on building science and different materials. And Chris has built a number of homes all across North America, including the first off-grid straw bale house in North America. I believe actually in Ontario, sorry, just to make a correction there. And so he's got a ton of building experience. So if you're interested in designing and or building your own eco house, you're not going to want to miss this workshop. The workshop information is going to be in the show notes below, so I'll leave a link to the web page there. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to get in touch with us, call us, send us an email. We'll happily answer those. If you are planning on coming to the workshop, I'm going to be there, so I'd love to connect with you. And I think you're going to get a ton out of this. Chris Magwood is an incredible instructor. So hopefully you found this interesting. If you want more information about the course, check the show notes below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.